But the investor community has once again expressed confidence in banks and consumption stocks. Well, the proof of the pudding is in the eating of the PSU stocks. The PSU banking names are doing pretty well in today's trading session as well. Are these calls but solely based on the valuations, or is there more to the rationale? Here's a take coming in from the big honchos, Ridhim Desai, Lawrence Belanco and S. Narain on where they see the value.
Trade there is to buy the large banks with good deposit franchises and good risk controls, because they will be the biggest beneficiary of this democratization of credit that I think is underway. Coming out of COVID, rural India took longer to witness the transfer of terms of trade from urban India, but that is now set. And therefore, I think consumption will actually see all-round recovery. The slowdown in urban consumption that a lot of consumer companies are complaining about, I think is temporary, because India's per capita income is rising. Discretionary consumption will grow much faster than staple consumption. And I think we are only seeing reiteration of those trends, whether it is with respect to quick commerce, whether it's respect to leisure, travel, education, entertainment. I think these areas are certainly going to grow faster than soaps and staple stuff.
Banks for us is the key sort of overweight in this, and we call it the bull market from the COVID lows. It's had, of the COVID lows, it's been the state banks that led the recovery and a key driver to the upside. What we've seen in relative terms now is a comeback in the private banking space. And one of the charts that I've looked at closely and watching closely is HDFC Bank, because a breakthrough the 2790 area, we think from a large cap stock perspective would be a significant breakout, and that would sort of generate some leadership in the next leg up towards that 37,000 area.
I would say that the areas where things are still reasonable is banks at this point of time. Clearly, I would say then, many of the consumption sectors have done badly for a long period of time. The valuations, even after doing badly for a long period of time, is not dirt cheap, but they can give relatively better returns maybe.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.